Oh, hello internet. This is me, Muhammad Arif, and you are watching me live on PIT Institute on YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna show you that how you can protect your personal document. If you don't want to give permission to someone who can see, edit your personal document. So yeah, very simply you can protect your document. So in a few steps, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you will have to click on file, and after clicking on file, here in info you will have to click on protect document here. So you can see protect document by clicking the down arrow button. So after clicking on down arrow button, here is encrypt with password. Click on here, and here you can set your password for your document. The password, remember that password are case sensitive. It means that capital and small letters. If you put capital letters here, so you will have to enter capital next time if you want to open. If you put small letters here, so you will have to put small while opening the file. So it means that it's a case sensitive. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 1 2 3. Let's see, I'm going to give one password here, okay, of my wish. Okay, re-enter it, and then okay. Now you can see here a password is required to open this document. Okay, clearly let me show you how. I already saved this document, but yes, let me show you how. So personal document I'm going to open. Now you can see here it requires a password. For example, if I'm giving a wrong password here, so you can see the password is incorrect. If I'm putting, for example, once again I am opening it, I am the real person of this document. So let me show you how. Now you can see my personal document is opened. So I hope you have learned something from this topic, and yeah, if you like my video, please comment down and like my video, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much. Have a good time.